In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to say the word asana, a Sanskrit term frequently used in yoga that translates to pose or posture. One of the most fundamental aspects of using any word correctly is knowing how to pronounce it, especially when it comes from a different language. This tutorial will give you a quick overview of how to correctly pronounce asana in a way that's both authentic to its Sanskrit origins and widely used in English-speaking yoga classes. Let's begin by breaking down the pronunciation. The word asana is most commonly pronounced as ah-su-nuh. We'll explore each component of this pronunciation step by step to help you get it just right. First, take note of the initial sound, ah, which is similar to the a in father. Try saying it a few times, letting the sound resonate as you emphasize that open, broad a sound. This foundation is essential to pronouncing the rest of the word smoothly. Now let's move on to the second syllable, sa. Here you want to mimic the soft, relaxed pronunciation of as in the word sofa. A helpful trick is to soften your speech just as you say sa, almost as if you're easing into the sound. It should flow naturally from the first h, and when combined, create a seamless transition, h sa. Finally, we'll tackle the last syllable, nah. This should be short and clipped, akin to the a in nut. It's as if you're adding a gentle punctuation mark to the end of the word. Once again, repeat all three syllables together, ah-su-na. Practice this several times, slowly, and then at a more natural pace to help solidify your confidence and mastery of the pronunciation. Now let's touch on some variations you might encounter. In traditional Sanskrit, the pronunciation can be closer to ah-sa-na, where the a's are short and not drawn out. Being aware of this slight distinction can enhance your understanding and appreciation of the word's cultural richness. In English-speaking yoga settings, you might often hear asunu, as we practiced, or even aasna, where the middle syllable is sometimes dropped. Both pronunciations are commonly accepted, so don't be surprised if you hear them in different yoga studios. It's always beneficial to have a flexible understanding of pronunciations, especially for words with rich cultural backgrounds like asana. Through practice and a bit of patience, you'll soon have the pronunciation of asana down to an art. I hope this tutorial has helped deepen your understanding and confidence in saying this beautiful word. Take what you've learned today and carry it into your yoga practice with pride and precision. Thank you for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.